Ever asked AI a simple question and felt like it gave you a novel full of wrong answers instead? You can fix that now. Welcome to GadInsider, your go-to for tech updates. Chatbots like ChatGPT and Gemini are trained to be super helpful, which often means they put everything out. But if you just want a quick, clean answer, there's a trick to that. For ChatGPT, vague commands like be brief or keep it short won't go so far. The model still spills out answers extra context. So how can you do it? Simple. Just say something like respond in one paragraph, skip background info, don't explain unless I ask, and boom. ChatGPT immediately keeps it short, sharp, and to the point. You can even set this in custom instructions so this happens by default. The results aren't flawless, but it cuts to the chase and you don't have to wait for most questions. For Gemini, it has its own style of chatter. It's polite and full of filler like several factors to consider. Perfect for research, but not for one-line answers. Gemini responds best to prompt boundaries. Just instruct it like, in one sentence, answer this directly. No explanation. What's a good portable lunch? This tells Gemini exactly what you want and shuts down the philosophical padding. Other prompts like answer only the core question or respond in clean language work too. Chatbots listen to answer and they like to make it grand. So set the boundaries, give the format, and suddenly you've got an AI that talks less and delivers what you need without beating around the bush. It's like putting a lid on a jar full of words. So next time you want a quick answer, try 3 phrases and let us know if that worked for you or not. For more tech updates, subscribe to GadInsider. Like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.